Hi.
Good evening, everybody, and thanks for the question. So I believe StratPro is really for those owners who, frankly, always feel that it's very lonely at the top. It's very lonely as being owners, and if we feel only we have the uh, overall goal of the organization and we are only responsible for the same. However, with the help of StratPro, it actually starts to include your next level team members, where you are actually able to make them owners of the goals. They become decision makers. They take ownership for the entire execution of that in a much more dedicated manner than is done as just they would do by you pushing things down. Also, having a facilitator, a third person facilitator, guide them, tell them when they are actually going probably off track, or push them and egg them further to improve. Actually, they are more receptive to that than only being pushed by the owner itself. So I'm sorry if I went on much more than I needed to, but yes.
Quite interesting. So you're able to see the difference, right?
Oh
So
yes, for sure. We've been able to see a very tangible difference in the way projects are approached, the way ownership of tasks is being handled amongst the team.
great. Rakesh, welcome.
Yeah, sorry, I
So
was slightly late. Good evening.
yeah, good evening. Not a problem. Would you like to take it? Call it.
Yeah. So StatPro for me, actually we started the discussion and the idea was also involved. The StatPro name came later. So the idea was who will drive the company later. So that was the basic thing. So KTM, key team members is a terminology, and StatPro is a terminology that adapted by TAB although, and the basic purpose was, or rather if at all I put in one sentence, is that pro are team of wheels which will drive the vehicle. So we are the drivers and there is a wheel. So there are these wheels and they drive the company. Now we keep on adding this wheel. They are to be loyal. That we have to select who are these key team members. That's the owner's perspective, how they have to be appointed, which will who will contribute and what sense. So that is a selection criteria if at all a company or a owner wants to go into a StatPro offerings. And otherwise, and this is the idea people don't think at the same time. This was evolved after a lot of one-on-one sessions with Ramas and his team members whenever the discussion happened.
Great. So let me start by asking you again from a more personal point of view. How do you find StatPro? Shall I start with the Shehul? Shehul, you're muted.
Hi,
Hi.
good evening, everyone. Personally, yes, the biggest thing which I have got from StratPro is clarity. Clarity is the biggest learning I have got help on. This is actually a super organized and makes things black and white. Always as an entrepreneur, we are having questions of why we didn't achieve desired results and what went wrong. Also by DNA, if you see, we are very hopeful and always feel today things are wrong, but after 4 months or so, the things will change. So StratPro actually helped us, helped me also to organize this in a big way and combine it with personal goals in a positive way. So overall, it was a it's a very important aspect of my life now.
Oh, great. I think your facilitator should be really pleased with this. So,
Absolutely.
yeah. Venkat, would you like to take a call at it?
Good evening, all.
Good evening.
Before StatPro, I was working alone, like in any owner-managed business, and had to involve in all the transaction, which is a colossal time suck. In 3 months' time working with StatPro, we have managed to develop a team and train them to an extent where they can report the daily operations to me, so that I get to know the clear picture of what's happening in my organization without involving myself in any transactional activities. In this way, I'm getting ample time to work towards the growth of my company, which was a challenge before. Initially, we thought of taking this service for a stipulated period, say 3 months, but now observing the development of my team and that has a positive impact in daily operations. We have decided to continue using this service for quite some time.
Okay. So now that we understand from a personal owner's point of view how things have changed, let us take from an organization point of view. Can I start with Devipriya? How does StatPro, in terms of how it has helped your organization? You being a startup, it would have been a very different experience. So please come out with your.
Yes, we've been having a very unique and different experiences altogether with StatPro engagement. The first thing we experienced was being a career counselor. We are into career counselings and overseas education. So basically, when we send students abroad for higher studies or when we counsel students, there could be lots of engagements where we directly involve with the parents and students and things like that. But initially, I had the perception, since because owner managed business, I had the perception that every important engagement or everything should be done by only me. So there were so many challenges, because in a day, if you say if it's going to be 2 overseas counselings and 2 career counselings, I would be completely exhausted. So right from taking the forms and collecting all the requirements, when doing things in a different manner, so it was quite challenging. And when we thought of building the credibility and moving on, scaling up, when we had lots of students, in fact, it was quite impossible for me to think in terms of delegation. So the first thing that I would call StatPro a beautiful concept was I was able to delegate the entire structure, because StatPro had helped me to break the entire process into several areas where I would be able to delegate it to my staff members also. And I am now more confident about the vital few. So vital few is something where I have to be directly deployed, and that could be my secret sauces, because in my industry it's all going to be self and owner managed things, because it depends on the individual capacity as well. So that there in terms of finding my vital few, in terms of delegating, and more importantly, though I delegate, the predominant thing that I would acquire from StatPro engagement was that I had a beautiful reporting mechanism for all my staff. So instantly they were able to whatever the engagements they are in, they are able to easily bring that into a reporting mechanism. So which was absolutely fantastic for delegation as well as collecting all the reports on time as well. So it was a beautiful engagement, sir.
Very good. Rakesh, how about having a take at this
So
from your organization
StatPro,
point of view?
yeah, organization point of view. So we had this opportunity. Actually, like Devipriya had a very early stage of being, in spite of being in startup, we had realized after a long time that we need a KTM member and all this stuff after 10 years, 15 years time. So that was the part. But when we realized by that time, we need our drivers who can take charge, instead of we translating all the ideas of what are needed for the organization to grow up. So it could be budgeting, it could be business planning. Once these members of your team members start start doing this activity, it becomes very easy and convenience to get translated into an implementation mechanism. That's the whole idea of what. So it can evolve in any, it could be product development, it could be charting, it could be MS, it could be reporting, or anything what you take as a. There are new innovations that are taking place in StatPro, like CSF and all, and rather it could be called as from proprietary way of working into a professional way of working. So one line sentence I can that's that.
Very good. So Rakesh, shall I just add on to this? You as decision makers in the company and your leadership team, how are you getting together in achieving things? Just that alone, from an organization point of view.
So at times, if at all I consider the specific question as StatPro point of view, yes, the question would be like people, they come up themselves with ideas. So what could be a lagging point if at all we make a decision that way, or whether we are not thinking on direct station. The team comes up with a idea by itself, new idea by itself, or on even restructuring the organization sometimes, or a department. So the way of thinking drastically changes, because they become owner not just of their department, but as an organization they start thinking that. So this is what I can mention.
Very good. So, so panelists, what we as facilitators have seen is we have been interacting with your key team members, and we really are excited working with them. So, in a sense, you would have found some changes in them. So, as business owners, what kind of changes are you seeing in them? Should I ask Shehul about this?
Sure. I'm glad to answer this. Basically, if you see, KTM normally is a in a SME is most of the time an expert in his or her area, who has grown in the organization and now leads a team or team, and are part of core team. However, unlike owners who have a few options of sharing knowledge and concerns in some or the other community, our core team members never get this chance. But Stratpro has set the stage for them and for us to learn, share, and grow together. So they are taking ownership. It's an excellent platform. Whereas, wherein as a team, we are aligning to the company goal and working towards the same.
Okay.
I,
So,
I, I would add to that.
yeah, please,
um,
Aditya, please. Yeah.
in addition to that, as owner managed businesses, sometimes we would always, as Shiv said, give training in their own technical line. We would not necessarily give training in management or escalations, reviews, time management. And with the help of StratPro, my team has felt empowered, where they believe that now we are investing in their personal growth.
Very good. Yeah.
So that has become a thing, that this is not just for the organization. And yes, don't get me wrong, it helps the organization. That's why we are continuing it. But it also makes them feel empowered, that this is also for them, and they are becoming better managers, better leaders, all of the above. So that has really helped.
How expressive are they, your team members, while are they expressing these things to you, or you feel to get an impression that there's what they are feeling?
So it's not something that they come and tell me every day. But in terms of, one is that yes, we do hear it on a sporadic basis, but more importantly, I see it on a behavior basis, which is not just because it's very easy to give a lip service. But when you're seeing behaviors from other team members where they are actually taking decisions which is not just impacting their department, but going beyond their department. And they may not have direct control, but they would come and escalate matters to me, saying that this is something that can be done, which is beyond their department. So that, what I believe is the intangible benefit with being on StratPro.
Super. So I think Venkat, you would have had a very different experience having a different kind of team. Can you give your feelings about what your key team members are?
Yes, sir. There is always a contradiction between employee mindset and entrepreneurs. To make them see the picture, what I've developed in my mind is much more significant, but it's quite a challenging task for me, as most of my employees are not adequately educated. With the help of StatPro, we started promoting a culture of team building, for which, firstly, we handpicked the suitable employee from each department and formed a strategic leadership team. And I share my business vision to them and involve them right from planning to execution. In this way, I don't feel alone in the path of growing my business. With the team, we have regularized our purchase process, right from purchase order to payment, and daily cash tally and deposit the same to bank, and communication through Google Forms and checklists to ensure the completion of necessary day-to-day activities. My team also feel elevated with the new responsibility assigned to them, and they contribute more towards the growth of the organization and work passionately to achieve the goal.
So are you seeing any changes, Venkat, in terms of how they report to you, and previously how they were reporting to you, and what is it happening in terms of their reporting now?
They've been reporting orally, but now no talkings, only communications through forms and checklist.
Okay. So are you losing your personal touch with them in any way, or it's the personal touch is more organized?
I'm constantly meeting them once in a week, each and everyone personally.
Okay. So I think we have just clarified about what StatPro is, both from a personal point of view and from an organization point of view. And your key team members being integral part of the StatPro engagement, I also have an understanding about how they are able to grow professionally and contribute to your organization. At the same time, they are seeing value more than what they would have seen in the past. So keeping all this in mind, let me ask you, Devi Priya, can you just narrate some stories from getting to StatPro? What kind of some experience that you can share with us once StatPro was initiated in your organization?
Yes, sir, definitely. So when you ask me for a story, I would take you back. Imagine you were all doing college. Okay, so when somebody is going over there and doing a presentation, all of us get excited, isn't it? So we would look forward and we'll have a chat because it's not usually the academic part of it. So when somebody is coming outside from a non-academic background and they talk about the career stuff, we do this all the time for our marketing activities because we do visit the institutions like the colleges, the schools, basically. So there was one instance that basically we went into the college, we gave a presentation. So that time we were very quite few staff members from the team were available with us. So immediately after the day, we collected all the forms and things like that from the students, and there were many of them who were interested. So at the end of the presentation, we also showed them, our address and contact numbers and things like that. And you won't believe me, the next day we have had around some 18 students who had walked into our office, which was too big. So at that point of time, it was completely out of control, and we were not able to manage them properly. But anyway, any which way, there was a situation that I had to fight. So we did the group counseling, and then we had to take them one-on-one and all that. So that instance, that moment, I felt there could be many of such instances in the future, or there could be a time that where we have to deal with lots of students at a single point in time, and where there should be a proper team that has to be delegated in the proper manner and all that. But it was quite it was all in my mind. It was all in the process, but I could not figure it a way out to the entire scenario. So and now that I'm more confident, even in such situations, I know like how I can delegate so many students at the same time, even in a small office. And how can we bring that kind of productivity, and how can we scale up, is all now wonderful mind process that I have. The design is beautifully built at the moment due to the StatPro, and thanks to you for facilitating the whole StatPro engagement for Sri Ramanujan sir. Thank you very much.
Yeah, it's a pleasure. Aditya, any favorite story from your side?
There are so many. I don't know where to start. I think as I basically said that having somebody who is at a different department giving ideas and suggestions on how to do better sales maybe, or better development, and so that cross department breeding of the brains and the intellectual stimulation, that is something that we've really been able to tease out, where when everybody comes on a page, we are not wearing any particular hats like sales or production or service. So that that pollination of brains is something that has really helped. But I'm not able to come up with any particular story or example because there are just too many to enumerate. I wouldn't want to bore everybody on the YouTube channel.
You can go ahead with one more.
No, that's fine. I'll let Shehul and Rakesh and Venkat go ahead.
Yeah. Anybody would like to share anyone's story? We have got a couple of minutes more.
Well, I can share one story, because as a facilitator in one of the companies, I can tell you for sure I was shocked. We were looking at personal improvement initiatives for the team, right? That is part of the StatPro, so that each of the team members can also personally improve some aspect about their own personalities. And so what I said was, okay, this team, we were doing the coaching session, And in the coaching session, we said, would you like to share your personal improvement initiatives among the team and then help each other to actually achieve that? So I was expecting that it may not happen because people are generally, I thought that will be hesitant, but I was pretty surprised. And they said yes. And we, every month on month, we used to actually monitor that. They were helping each other for improving their personal aspects. And that, I think, was a big change. And the bonding increased dramatically because of that. That is another angle to the StatPro. You know, there's a very personal angle by which the team can bond together very well. And this happened in one of the companies. It actually happened in Rakesh's company. So that was another very interesting angle, I thought.
Yeah, but I never knew that you will be able to tell stories and all, Ravi. It's very interesting to listen to stories from your mouth. We are all used to something else from you. I think as some of you would have been experiencing him as a facilitator is very different. So thanks for the storytelling. Yeah. Please tell me. Rakesh, your voice is breaking.
I said, can you hear me now?
Yeah.
So I said Ravi keeps on telling me certain such kind of stories after some few of the sessions. So
special attention, I suppose. So great, guys. I think all of you had shared your experience beautifully. And to sum it up all, I think from my experience and from what I've heard from all of you, it looks like your business, as business owners, you're able to come together with your team very well and deliver what your organization is expecting out of you. And if that seems to be the case, and from a more strategic point of view, you're able to plan for your business. And I think when Venkat was talking about implementing the plan successfully, so all these things looks very interesting. Hopefully, we'll be having more interactions with you in the future and would like to take your feedback on all this in the future also. So it was really great session from you. Thank you all. And let us try and meet somewhere once. So calling from Puducherry, we would like to invite you to Puducherry whenever possible on behalf of Venkat and Devipriya. So we'll be happy to host you guys here. Thank you so much. Thank you, Ravi. Back to you.
Thank you.